To the side a little bit more. Yep. Wow. Did I get that on camera? That's crazy. What do you do, familiar? It's your boy Taxi PNG, and we're back at it again with another man. Today we have a nice little Halloween vibe shoot. We're waiting for Kay currently. She's gonna be here in a few, and she has a really cool outfit on that we're gonna be shooting today, man. So stay tuned with me, and let's rock out. You guys always ask for Kay back, so I know these videos go viral, so shit, it's gonna do what? It's gonna go viral again. Let's make it happen, man. So this is a Halloween vibe for October. We are currently in September. If you guys wonder, like, you know, how do I plan these shoots? I plan everything a month or two ahead of time. So for example, September, I'm shooting Halloween. For October, so I already have that content ready to roll out for you guys when October comes. And then in October and November, I'll be shooting Christmas content. So October starting, I'll be shooting Christmas content for December. Okay, so I'm always ahead of time. Okay, you guys, you always gotta prepare. If you fail to plan, you know what I'm saying? I mean, if you fail to plan, you basically just plan to fail, basically. So always be ahead of time and always be prepared. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the wardrobe when she gets here, let you guys talk to her, and yeah. Guys, it's 7 a.m. and Kay has all this energy, okay? She woke me up because she has work today. Yes, she got a job, right?
I got a job.
Oh my God. If you guys have been keeping up with the series, Kay hasn't had a job for so long. And I know you guys have been like, oh my God, why haven't we been seeing her? It's because she got a damn job now. So I told you guys, we're gonna use her until she get a job. So we was doing autumn shoots.
That's how
Kay got a job now, but yeah, so this is the wardrobe, you guys. You can see she's fitted a little piece, you know what I'm saying? Give us a spin, give us a spin. Yeah. So my vibe idea for this one was like those girls, you know, like the twins that stand at the end of the hall. That was my vibe, kind of like doing a vibe like that, and then like having her have her cuddles.
This is Cuddles. He is my baby.
These feel like fingernails.
All right.
It's crazy how like it feels like the real fingernail. But we're about to go ahead and do this little shoot. So you guys seen those little like horror movies and stuff like that where the girls are standing at the end of the hall and they're holding the bear, like the twins, and they're like that. So that's gonna be the type of vibe that I'm going for. I may duplicate her, I may not duplicate her. I feel like it'd be kind of cool to have her as a twin of herself. So one holding the bear and then one not holding the bear, something like that, like standing next to each other. One holding the bear and one not holding the bear, and I put them both together. I feel like that'd be kind of cool, a cool editing vibe for you guys as well. I like having fun out here, and you know, yeah, it's kind of cool. So let me know if you guys want to see vibes like that, and let's do it, man. All right, you guys are gonna apply some blood onto Kay. There you go. I'm really gonna just put some like kind of like just on her a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. And the one that came from the bottle. Yeah, see? Yeah. All right, this is gonna like, I hate that it like drops and doesn't like seep in. Yeah, this shirt like doesn't want the blood on it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like it kind of just, it already, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of already vibing.
If you think it is, okay.
Cause we put it on your neck, it's just gonna dribble down. It's not even, we're gonna put it on your neck here and it's not gonna be there. It's gonna go all the way down, and now you're gonna have it all in your skirt.
Okay.
All right, let's just do a little bit more shirt though.
A little bit more? She is a whole fucking...
I wasn't on purpose. I swear it wasn't though. Don't keep moving, cause that bit, I'm trying to get that bit to seep in. There we go. Cause it started dripping out though. Yeah, I want this bit, she used her right hand. Type shit. You kill somebody with an umbrella, bitch. Yeah! Oh man. And then we have an umbrella, you guys. This umbrella was from Home Depot. The umbrella was $4.99. I was thinking about reselling them, that's how cheap it was.
It's a hard knock life.
For us. Oh, this is a nice ass umbrella though.
Yeah,
What? This is crazy. Imagine her at the very end. At the very end, just like holding this bit. It's gonna be crazy. Her and her twin, bro, I'm about to have some fun with this one. Oh yeah, let's do it, y'all boys. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. All right, y'all boys, we're setting up the tripod right now to get this shot right here. So I'm setting it up, making sure I'm lining her in correctly. And then I'm gonna make sure that my display is balanced as well. So balance the display just like so. Because the middle is gonna be cuddled. She's gonna be holding it with the other one. It's gonna be her and herself holding it. There we go, that looks good. Hold it, hold it, hold it. So I'm on a tripod. I can go down as much as I want on my shutter, you guys. There you go. All right, now switch. More. Right there. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yep. And then do one like looking off that way. Yep. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Now switch over again and do one more. Like do just do that same vibe, but try to be a little bit more. Do more posing on this side, like how you done on the other side. How you feeling? Oh wow.
What?
Are you getting bit?
Yes.
Cuddles.
Cuddles.
Guys, look at this thing, man. Like what? This is crazy. Like, this is hard right here. Wow. No. All right, we're gonna move to the other part, you guys. We're gonna be shooting over here in these portions of the woods. You guys know I love nature, so yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's all around us. It's like the easiest thing. All right, it's the easiest thing to shoot. But yeah, I put it on my tripod because the tripod was a lot easier to use, you guys. Like, I was trying to balance it on my leg and then my stomach and all of that. And I'm like, bro, I have a whole tripod, but I was like, the tripod's for the behind the scenes, but I wasn't using you guys at the time. So I was like, man, let me just use the tripod and just hold y'all. So those shots are got. They came out pretty good and we just got to mesh them together. I'll show you guys how to do that in the editing suite. We're following. I got to move away so that way, like, I can't, cause like you see my shadows like on you, so I gotta like move them off to the side, so that way the shadow's not in the way. Bro, like this shit is, this sun is crazy. All right, you guys, so I'm shooting in manual mode right now, and we're also using natural light, so we're not going to be using anything else right now. It's very, very harsh light. It's very, very bright right here. It's very crazy, so we're directly in the sun. So what that means is my F is going to be very high. I'm going to go to F, like around F10, you guys, and let's see how that looks. Looks kind of too dark. I'm going to go to F5.6. I'm gonna go to 5.6, shutter speed 250, and then my ISO is 100. We're gonna like play around with it in our viewfinder and see how it looks while taking the photos. Yeah, these looks pretty good. Let me see, 3, 2, 1. Go up a little bit more on my ISO, you guys. We're in RAW and JPEG as always, you guys. Let me see, one more, hold it up. Hold it, peek out a little bit more. There we go. Hold it, let me see, 3, 2, 1. Oh, right. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, hold it, don't move. 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go. Bet. So literally, I just kind of took a few, you guys. I'm gonna get a little few details as well, close up. It's f5.6, and then my shutter is 250. Oh, yeah. Turn your eye and look at me. Oh, one more, hold it. Yeah, that's hard right there. That was a hard shot. That's a hard angle, you guys. We're gonna duck a little bit back more in there to get away from some of this sun. What? What? Bro, what's wrong with you, bro? Pick somewhere, bro. What do you see? Choose something.
What do I see?
Yeah, choose something.
This.
Okay. All right, you guys, bear with me with all these little light leaks and stuff. This is new, you know what I'm saying? This is a lot going on right now. All right. Bear with me. Yes, damn it. You're so slow, bro. All right, I gotta go like this. I gotta make sure my shadow is not on her, you guys. Going down ISO 640 right now. My F is at 5.6. I'm gonna go up to f6.3 right now. We're playing with a lot of different light leaks, so everything is like free game out here because all the lights are different. I'm gonna go back down to 5.6. Then I'm gonna go up on my shutter to fit 500 and then go down on my F. Yeah, that's kind of a little bit better. Hold it. That's cute, that's cute, that's cute. Hold it. Oh, there we go, yeah. Hold it. I wanna be like, I don't even, like she don't even see me. Like I'm kind of just like, sneaking up on her. Hold it. There we go. Look like you just heard something, like oh my God. Like what did I just hear? Type vibes, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Hold it, yeah. There we go. Let me see, hold on, I'm coming from over here. Change your angle up, you guys, change your angle up. Oh, that's cute. I'm going straight on with the log that she's on. That's hard. Yeah, this is crazy. This is like different, bro. It's like so much going on. The light's kind of fun to play with. It's like a lot of light to play with, but it's like just like fun to play with. As long as you like make sure you get that tack sharpness in there. I'm at f5.6. There we go. Guys, my ISO is on 1000. Probably shouldn't even be up there. I'm gonna try to go back down to 100 and see what we could do. 100 ISO. I'm gonna go down on my F to f2.8. There we go. 100 ISO f2.8, and then my shutter is at 250. This is my usual setup right here. What? Oh, wait, before you do, what you about to do?
I'll get my legs like that.
Your legs?
Like the thingy like that. And it's like sleepy.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Let's see. Oh, like you're like, yeah, okay, bet. So now it's at f2.8, you guys. My shutter is 250, and then ISO, just move the ISO up and down as needed. So my ISO right now is at 250. I'm going down to 200 ISO. Just kind of like move it around as you need it. Just when you find those general settings for that location that you're at, stay the same, and then you can move it whenever you move location. So when I move from here, I will be changing up my shutter and my aperture. Right now my aperture F and my shutter can stay where they're at, so it's at 250 and 2.8, and then I'm just changing my ISO up and down. Okay, if your camera can go down low ISO like 64 and 80 and stuff like that, you can go down as low as you need when that light hits, you know what I'm saying? My camera goes down all the way too, but I'm only doing 100 because I know a lot of you guys' cameras don't go down past 100. Okay, so we're just getting these shots in like this. I'm gonna pull you guys over to the side a little bit more. Yep. Wow. Did I get that on camera? That's crazy.
It broke.
Oh, it did break. Wow.
Sorry, nature. Really?
Yep. I had to catch you lacking though. Are you okay though?
Yeah. It's nature.
So I'm gonna have you, yeah, do better with your life for one. I mean, you got a job. That's the #1 thing that you did. So. Yeah, that's cute. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Just changing the ISO, you guys. I'm not changing nothing else with my ISO. Adding some foreground with this tree. There we go. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. I'm gonna go down and get like kind of low angle. Hold it. 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 Oh, this is hard. Hold it. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move, don't move. Don't move, don't move. Oh, it's hard. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I'm gonna get far. I'm gonna get super far away. Don't move. Whew. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah. I'm all the way behind the camera, you guys, right now shooting. And this looks really cool because like I'm creating a frame within trees. Ooh, look at me, eye contact with the camera, yep. Yep, hold it. Hold it. Put colors on the other side of your knee. Yeah, the other hand, yeah, just like that, yeah. There you go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yes, 3, 2, 1. One more, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and 1. I'm breaking my tree. Okay, out here breaking nature, y'all boys. Okay, bet. See? Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Let me see. Multiple different angles. You guys play around with it. I'm changing around my f-stop just a little bit. I mean, I'm changing my ISO just a little bit. My f-stop and everything else staying the same, so I can get those colors and everything, the sharpness that I want as well. f2.8 shutter is at 250. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, this is cute. Hold it. There we go. Hold it. There we go. My problem be I take too many banger photos, y'all, and then I be like, damn, I don't know what to choose, and it'd be my fault. Oh, this is hard. Y'all know I love a bird's eye view. I love a good bird's eye view, bro. It's like one of my favorite angles. There's a good bird's eye view. Yeah, right here. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And there we have it, you guys, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in, bro. As you guys can see, it's insanity. But let me know if you guys want to see more like this. Stay tuned on this series, guys. We're going to be doing a lot of different Halloween stuff. We're going to be having some fun, okay? Stay tuned on the Instagram, see the post, all the different stuff that we're going to be dropping. We're going to be dropping, okay? Make sure to share with a photographer, videographer, or a model that may find the information that's helpful. Until next time.
Taxi.
Yeah!
So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again, I say so long, farewell to you, my friends.